Looking for the ideal tablet in 2025? Whether you need a tablet for work, study, or entertainment, there is one for you. From the stylish EITOMIN 10-inch powerhouse to the adaptable VASOUN 10.1-inch companion, these tablets combine performance, portability, and smart features to make your everyday tasks go more smoothly. Enjoy sharp displays, long-lasting batteries, expandable storage, dual cameras, and fast connectivity with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0. These tablets can easily handle streaming, gaming, video calls, or multitasking. Your next upgrade is just a click away. Number 7. EITOMIN 2025. The 10-inch Android tablet from EITOMIN 2025 is a powerful device that can be used for both business and leisure activities. Whether you're browsing, streaming, or juggling many apps, the octa-core Unisoc T606 processor running Android 14 provides a fluid, responsive experience. You may personalize your device to your preferences thanks to the system's improved privacy features and user-friendly UI, which give it a contemporary and safe feel. The 128 gigabytes of internal storage that can be expanded to 1 terabyte via microSD and 14 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabyte physical plus 6 gigabyte virtual, you have plenty of room for apps, pictures, movies, and documents. It's perfect for maintaining access to your media library or for intense multitasking. With up to 12 hours of online browsing or 8 hours of movie and gaming, the 7000 mAh battery keeps you running all day. You'll value the USB-C port and a dedicated headphone jack for adaptability. Wide viewing angles and a clear FHD experience are provided by the bright and colorful 10-inch in-cell IPS display. The 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front cameras make video conversations, online classes, and Zoom meetings clear and seamless, while dual speakers improve your audio. Connectivity is robust with 4G LTE calls, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and GPS. It feels high-end and portable, despite weighing only 450 grams and having a thin 7mm metal case. Convenience is increased by extra features including wireless projection, screen split, face recognition, and child safety. On the other hand, the tablet's size isn't perfect for intense gaming, and some people might find the keyboard a bit small for prolonged typing. All things considered, it's a versatile gadget for daily work and amusement. Number 6. Antemper D6. The Antemper D6 10.1-inch Android tablet is a stylish and potent gadget intended for both work and play. Powered by a Unisoc T606 octa-core processor with an ARM G57 GPU and running on the most recent version of Android 14, it offers quick graphics and fluid multitasking for anything from gaming to streaming videos. Additionally, the tablet offers a clear ad-free interface and GMS certification, making it simple to install all of your favorite programs. There's plenty of space for programs, media, and documents thanks to its 14 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes actual plus 6 gigabytes virtual, and 128 gigabytes of extendable storage up to a huge 1 terabyte. The tablet performs flawlessly whether you're storing big files or managing several programs. The combination of USB-C and Bluetooth 5.0 guarantees fast connectivity for peripherals or wireless devices, while the 8000 mAh battery keeps you running through lengthy workdays or binge-watching sessions. The dual cameras, 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front, are excellent for video calls, online classes, and casual shooting, and the 10.1-inch display produces crisp images with vivid, bright colors. It is a good option for work or study while on the road because of the accompanying keyboard and secure case. The device is somewhat heavy with the keyboard attached, and the 1280 by 800 resolution might not feel as sharp as more expensive tablets. All things considered, the Antemper D6 combines functionality, mobility, and adaptability, making it a useful tool for both daily chores and entertainment. Number 5. FEONAL. The 11-inch Android 15 tablet from FEONAL is designed to support both work and play. It offers seamless multitasking and a responsive experience for apps, surfing, and streaming, thanks to its MTK8786 octa-core processor and the most recent version of Android 15 with GMS certification. With improved privacy features and simple app control across several screens, the new UI is clear and easy to use, making it ideal for both personal and business use. There is ample space for apps, videos, ebooks, games, and more with 16 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes actual plus 8 gigabytes virtual, and 128 gigabytes of extendable storage up to 1 terabyte. Multitasking seems natural and you won't have to worry about running out of room. Whether you're working, playing games, or streaming, the 7000 mAh battery keeps you running for hours, and quick Type-C charging guarantees little downtime. Dual stereo speakers provide a deeper music experience, and the 11-inch in-cell display provides clear images with vivid colors. Long sessions are made comfortable by features including reading remote, eye protection mode, and dark mode. For video conversations, online classes, or capturing special moments, the dual cameras, a 13-megapixel rear and 8-megapixel front, are ideal. You can stay connected anywhere thanks to the robust connectivity, which includes dual SIM slots, 5G Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, and 4G LTE compatibility. For portability, the tablet is lightweight and thin. However, compared to more expensive tablets, the 1280 by 800 resolution isn't as sharp, and frequent dual SIM and 4G calls may have a minor negative impact on battery life. Overall, it's a versatile and reliable tablet for everyday usage and pleasure. Number 4. Relndoo. With its T615 octa-core processor, the Relndoo P80 11-inch Android 15 tablet is designed for both work and play, providing a responsive and fluid experience. It has a clear, bloatware-free design and sophisticated privacy features, including data encryption, user permissions, and notification control. It runs on the most recent version of Android 15. It is adaptable for business, study, or family use with features like split-screen multitasking, widgets, parental controls, and multi-user capabilities. This tablet easily manages heavy multitasking and enormous files because of its 24 gigabytes of RAM, 6 gigabyte physical plus 18 gigabytes virtual, and 256 gigabyte internal storage, which can be expanded to 2 terabytes. Long hours of continuous usage are possible with the 800 mAh battery and energy-efficient operations, and you can easily recharge with 18 watts fast charging. With dual-band Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.0, and dependable 5G compatibility, you can stay connected for work, video chats, or entertainment with ease. The 11-inch IPS display, approved by Widevine L1 for 1080p HD streaming on services like Netflix, offers vivid images and sharp detail. Clear video calls and stunning moments are captured with the dual cameras, 13-megapixel back and 5-megapixel front. Switching between tablet and laptop mode is made simple with the bundled Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, foldable case, and pen. The device's 538-gram weight is a drawback, and some users could find the big virtual RAM excessive. All things considered, the Relndoo P80 is a feature-rich, incredibly adaptable tablet for anyone wishing to combine work, play, and portability into one gadget. Number 3. UJJ. The UJJ 10.1-inch Android 15 tablet is made to be a flexible work, study, and entertainment partner. With a 2.0 GHz octa-core processor in the most recent version of Android 15, it provides fast app performance and seamless multitasking. GMS certification guarantees smooth app installation and operation, and improved privacy controls give you control over your data and permissions. The tablet can easily manage demanding multitasking, huge programs, and multimedia gaming thanks to its 30 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes real plus 22 gigabytes virtual, and 64 gigabytes of storage, which can be expanded up to 1 terabyte via microSD. The 6000 mAh battery provides reliable power for long periods, whether you're streaming videos, browsing, or working on projects. It is suitable for both work and play thanks to dual-band Wi-Fi 2.4G and 5G and Bluetooth 5.0, which enable reliable connections to accessories like keyboards, mouse, and headphones. The dual-camera combination, 8-megapixel rear and 5-megapixel front, guarantees you can take clear pictures and make video calls even in low light, and the 10.1-inch IPS HD display produces sharp images at 1280 by 800 pixels. On services like Amazon Prime Video, Widevine L1 certification ensures safe, excellent streaming. The virtual RAM might be more than casual users want, and the 1280 by 800 resolution isn't as sharp as more expensive tablets. Nevertheless, the tablet is a good option for anyone seeking a mix between performance and mobility because of its lightweight design, dependable connectivity, and expandable storage. The UJJ tablet provides a handy all-in-one experience for media, business, and gaming. Number 2. Dghrti. The 11-inch Dghrti TAB50 tablet strikes a mix between portability, entertainment, and productivity. Its Widevine L1 certification allows it to enable HD streaming on services like Netflix, and its big IPS display provides clear images with wide viewing angles. Multitasking is made easy with split screen, floating windows, and screencasting, and you can always expand your view to larger screens with the Type-C display output. With 256 gigabytes of storage that can be expanded to 2 terabyte via microSD and 24 gigabytes of RAM, 8 gigabytes real plus 16 gigabytes virtual, you can store a ton of programs, media, and documents without worrying about running out of space. Apps remain quick and task switching is seamless thanks to the T606 octa-core processor, which can run at up to 2.0 gigahertz. For both business and play, Android 14 offers a contemporary safe interface with dependable performance. Strong connectivity choices include GPS, Bluetooth 5.0, and 5G Wi-Fi for reliable connections in any setting, including a meeting room or cafe. The dual camera's 13-megapixel rear, 5-megapixel front are good for taking pictures, making video chats, or taking online classes, and the 8000 mAh battery allows for prolonged use for streaming, gaming, or virtual meetings. The Dghrti TAB50's seamless metal body, elegant design, and built-in features like split-screen functionality and screencasting make it a good option for anyone looking for a versatile all-around tablet. However, the 1280 by 800 HD resolution isn't as sharp as higher-end tablets, and its 514-gram weight and 7mm profile make it portable but not the lightest option available. Number 1. VASOUN. The VASOUN 10.1-inch Android 15 tablet combines dependable performance and mobility for daily usage. With 8GB RAM, 3GB actual, and 5GB extended, and the most recent version of Android 15, it can easily manage productivity tasks, light gaming, and multitasking while offering improved security and smooth software upgrades. Whether you're at home, in a cafe, or on the go, its lightweight form makes it simple to carry. Long-term streaming, reading, and browsing are made comfortable with a 10.1-inch HD IPS display's clear images, wide viewing angles, and decreased blue light. For storage, it comes with 32GB internal memory, extendable up to 1TB via microSD, so you can store your media, documents, and programs without worrying about running out of space. Whether you're working on documents, watching videos, or listening to music, the 6000 mAh battery can keep you going for up to 12 hours straight. Its small size makes it portable. Wi-Fi 6 for dependable, quick internet, and Bluetooth 5.0 for easy pairing with speakers, headphones, and other devices are examples of connectivity possibilities. Online meetings, video conversations, and simple photography are all made possible by dual cameras. The HD resolution isn't as sharp as more expensive tablets, and heavy users might need to expand the 32GB of storage. Nevertheless, the VASOUN tablet excels as a useful, reasonably priced gadget with necessary capabilities, making it perfect for light productivity, light pressure, and even as a considerate present for family members or students. It's evident by looking at the best tablets of 2025 that there is something for everyone, regardless of whether you're a professional, student, or casual users. These gadgets offer the ideal ratio of performance, display quality, battery life, and connectivity. From the potent multitasking of the VASOUN and Dghrti tablets to the stylish portability of the EITOMIN and Antemper models. Vibrant HD screens, twin cameras for crystal clear video conversations, and expandable storage for all your apps and media are just a few of each tablet's advantages. Overall, they're made to keep you amused and busy. However, some may have small flaws like significantly lower resolutions or heavier constructions. Find the tablet that best suits your lifestyle and improve your technology right now. Don't hesitate.